I'm Leena Prabhu, Pradnya strategist, spiritual and mental health coach, Amazon #1 best-selling author. If you are new to this channel, then please press on the subscribe button and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that you can get all my new videos in an instant. Now let us deep dive into the next topic on how to activate your full potential. Addiction, right? Some things are we are habituated to doing some things, okay? And when that habit, you keep on doing it, and then one day when you are not able to do it, then you realize that you are addicted to that something. So that something could be, in my case, it was chewing gum. I realized that I had picked up the habit of chewing gum, the one that everybody as a child chews. And then I went on chewing the gum, and one day I didn't have the chewing gum, and you start getting agitated, you start getting anxious, and you start looking out for whatever it is that you are addicted to, or whatever it is that you're habited to. And when you get that, and then you are at peace and calm. So for many years, I was trying to overcome this chewing gum, this habit of chewing gum, and I didn't know what to do. So one day, one day I was, I get up at 3 a.m. I mean, I just woke up at 3 a.m. and I knew that it is the Brahma Muhurta. It is the time when the channels are widely open between you and the cosmic universe. So that is, if you want to meditate, that is the best time to meditate. So for some reason, I just woke up at 1:45, and then I said, oh, 3 o'clock is just coming around. So why don't I start to meditate? And I started meditating. Just as I closed my eyes, this whole scene started coming in front of my eyes. And I kept on watching it as though it is happening to a third person. And after some time, the whole scene, the movie or whatever it is, the visuals which I was getting, they stopped, and I opened my eyes, and it was 4 o'clock. So I was in that zone for 1 full hour. And then I said, what just happened? What did happen? So what had happened was my spiritual masters, my spiritual guides had downloaded an entire treatment to overcome addiction. And that is what I was looking for to help myself. And then there are so many clients who, also wanted to overcome their addiction. And quickly I wrote down from 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. I wrote down whatever the visuals I got, and I put them into a proper structure. And I, asked around that, this is the divine message has come to me to help people who are similarly afflicted. I did help myself also, and I'm very, very happy to share with you that now I don't chew a gum. I don't feel like chewing a gum. I don't even think about it. And I feel so relieved that there is no need for me to, clutter my mental space with the thought that I have to look for a chewing gum. So a lot of clients came to me. A lot of people started with friends, and I was able to help these friends, and some of them got relief immediately within a day, and some of them got relief after a period of time, and some of them are still in the process of getting the relief. So this was a past life regression treatment for de-addiction. And I decided that since it has come to me as a gift, from above. Actually, everything is a gift to us, right? From above. But this was the gift which I was aware of, which came down to me when I was conscious about it. And it was a divine gift. So I had decided to give away this gift for free to people who are, undergoing. So what are the addictions that other people are going through? There's a obvious addiction of alcohol, drugs, and smoking. But besides that, there are other addictions also, which are keeping on thinking about negative thoughts, or there's food addiction, or there's sweet addiction, or there is tea addiction, or there is all kinds of addiction. Even whatever thought you are having continuously in your mind, that is also a form of addiction. People are addicted to become victims. People are addicted to become, oh, the poor me, oh, the sorry me. Or people are addicted to bullying other people. So there are various kinds of, or there is post-traumatic stress disorder. So if they have some traumatic issue in their life, then they get addicted to being sorry, or if they're addicted to being aggressive. So there are various kinds of addictions, and I give away this treatment to people for free because it has come to me as a divine blessing. The only thing is that there's some pre-work that needs to be done. So I have clubbed the thing with my other programs where the pre-work is what I charge for, but this is an absolutely free treatment where you go into your past life and I help you de-addict yourself the day the seed of addiction was put inside you. And then from there, the journey has been fascinating. You know, I have some testimonials which later on I would be happy to share with you, and you can take a look at it. Yes? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates on my latest videos.